Unearthing the meaning of dig up. Hello, language explorers. Today, we're diving into the world of English phrases to understand the meaning and usage of dig up. By the end of this video, you'll be able to use this phrase confidently in your conversations. Let's get started. In its most basic sense, dig means to break up and move earth, soil, or other materials. So when you're literally digging something up, it means you're removing it from beneath the ground. Example, I decided to dig up the old tree stump in my backyard. Beyond its literal meaning, dig up is often used in a figurative sense. In this context, it refers to discovering or uncovering information that was previously unknown or hidden. Examples: journalists often dig up hidden stories about celebrities. She managed to dig up some old photos from her college days. It's crucial to know the context in which dig up is used, as this will help you understand its intended meaning. 1. Research or investigation. Often used when someone is researching or investigating a particular topic or issue. 2. He's trying to dig up evidence to prove his point. 3. Recollection. When someone is trying to remember or retrieve old memories or past experiences. 4. I can't dig up any memories from that night. 5. Reveal or expose. To bring to light something that was hidden or not widely known. 6. The audit might dig up some discrepancies in the accounts. And there you have it, the multifaceted meaning of dig up. Whether you're talking about gardening or a mystery novel, this phrase is versatile and useful. We hope this video has helped you grasp its essence. Keep exploring, and until next time, happy learning.